First question, who was the founder of the Satavahana Empire? Shimuga is described as the first king in a list of royals in Satavahana inscriptions at Naneghat. The beginning of the Satavahana rule is dated variously from 271 before Common Era to 30 before Common Era. So, option B is the right answer. Shimuga was the founder of the Satavahana Empire. Second question, the people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati. Pashupati Mahadeva was the chief male deity of people of Indus Valley civilization. The Pashupati seal found at Mohenjo-daro has an image of Pashupati Mahadeva with 3 faces, 2 horns, sitting on a low throne. He is surrounded by a tiger, a rhino, a buffalo, and an elephant with 2 deers near his feet. So from explanation we conclude that option B is the right answer. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati. Next question. The Upanishads are the source of Hindu philosophy. The Upanishads are a collection of texts of religious and philosophical nature written in India probably between 800 before Common Era and 500 before Common Era. So option C is the right answer. The Upanishads are the source of Hindu philosophy. Fourth question, Gandhara art is the combination of Indo-Green style. Gandhara art developed in a 1st century Anno Domini. Both Shakas and Kushanas were patrons of Gandhara school. Hence option B is the right answer. Gandhara art is the combination of Indo-Greek. Next question, the earliest reference to Sati custom is made in which of the following inscription? The earliest reference to Sati custom is made in Iran inscription of Bhanugupta. So option B is the right answer. Iran inscription of Bhanugupta. Next question, which is the biggest building at Mohenjo-daro? Mohenjo-daro was the largest city of the Indus Valley civilization. A granary has been which the largest building of the Mohenjo-daro. Hence option B is the right answer. Great Granary is the biggest building at Mohenjo-daro. Seventh question, which of the following is not true about Ajanta caves? The Ajanta caves are about 29 rock-cut Buddhist cave monument which date from the 2nd century before Common Era to about 480 or 650 Common Era in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state of India. They do not contain paintings of flora and flora. They did not depict the techniques used in ancient India. So option C is the right answer. Ajanta caves did not depict the techniques used in ancient India. Option C is the right answer. Which script was used in Ashoka's inscription? Brahmi script was used in Ashoka's inscription. The Brahmi script is the earliest writing system developed in India after the Indus script. So option A is the right answer. Brahmi script was used in Ashoka inscriptions. Ninth question, what is the Mehrauli pillar in the complex of Qutub Minar primarily famous for? Mehrauli pillar in the complex of Qutub Minar primarily famous for excellent quality steel. So option C is the right answer. Mehrauli pillar in the complex of Qutub Minar primarily famous for excellent quality steel. Aryabhat and Kalidas were in the court of which Gupta emperor? Aryabhat and Kalidas were in the court of Chandragupta II, who also known by his title Vikramaditya, was one of the most powerful emperors of the Gupta Empire in India, died in 410 Anno Domini. So option B is the right answer. Aryabhatta and Kalidas were in the court of Chandragupta II emperor.